What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I will be showing you how to create a duet on TikTok. If you aren't familiar with this concept on TikTok, basically what this is you could take any TikTok that you see and mold it into your own and have two separate TikToks running at the same time. So kind of think about the FaceTime application where there's two photos in one. That's basically what this is. Or you could do it like split screen like in Call of Duty or whatever. I guess that's the best way I could describe it to you. There's just a couple different options here as you're going to see, and you could play around with them yourself. But I'm just going to choose a random video here, just a duet for the example of this video. Then what you're going to want to do is hit the three dots in the bottom right hand corner there, right above the little music icon. And it's going to take you to this drop down menu here. And if you scroll just a little bit on that bottom lever there, you will see the option. It's about 6 options out for duet. And then the layout menu on the right there, this is what I was talking about here. You could kind of customize for what layout that you are looking for yourself. I'm going to choose this split screen layout, as you can see. But from here, you could just record it as a normal TikTok. And also to mention too, the top one, you can adjust the framing if you want. I just left it like this because I'm not planning on posting this. It's just for an example. But I'm just recording on the bottom, as you can see there, as the one on the top runs. And I'd have a reaction or something, but I'm kind of just recording the ceiling. Like I said, for example, this would be different if you were actually doing this. But then you could just proceed like a normal TikTok from here and post it and create a caption and edit it however you want to. It's basically yours from here. This is just a great way to get reaction content or whatever content you're really trying to create. This is just a great way to pull it from there. That's pretty much all I got for today though, as far as creating the duet goes. If you did have any questions on how to do this, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you did find this helpful today, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.